All right, so I just caught my husband doing that blank stare in the fridge, the one when you open it up and you're trying to figure out what you're gonna eat. It's time to cook. So we're about to make this easy Haitian dish. I know most Haitian dishes take 3 pots and a prayer and it's still not ready. So today I ain't got the time. I'm hungry, he's hungry, the kids are hungry. We need something fast. Let's cook. I got a few more items I need to grab back here. Look at all of these tomatoes. Oh my goodness. Let's grab a few. I like these. They're tangy. What I just found. I didn't even know they were back. Never can have too much onions. Find the groove. And slime. All right. Yes, baby. Okay. Haitian meal without passion fruit juice.